I don't think I have any on.
No, I'm cutting them in quarters first before I cut them any smaller.
Not a quarter.
That's fine. We'll all wake up.
It's close enough, woman.
It's a big small quarter.
Guys, don't eat
You look like you have threads when you're cutting.
Why?
You know, just because.
Is there something we should know about?
Maybe I'm not poisoned.
What if I want to die? What if this is gonna be the best night ever and it's just going downhill from here, huh?
Better to go out the window.
Oh,
I ate one today. Don't worry, I'm not dead.
Did you take a picture of the cake before I cut it? Okay, just check.
Tons of pictures, man. You better put that shit on
don't know.
Facebook, okay?
But I don't really care at this point. How many people are gonna be eating
those pictures?
You're not in any of them, except this one right here.
It doesn't matter what I'm cutting it into because it's gonna be even.
You look very girly, Carrie.
Yeah, cut those in half.
I'm trying to get everyone in one video.
Oh, it's a video.
Yeah. Say hello, Shannon.
Hello, Shannon.
Are you making a noose?
Yeah.
You kind of look like a noose.
After the age of 21, everything goes downhill from there.
That's good advice for Richard.
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, is that a camera or video?
It's a video.